Cha 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 cha. Twist chasse. So many cha-chas are under-hipped.
That ends today.
When you're doing your hip action, imagine your body is a wet towel. Wring and twist and squeeze all that water out by rotating your hips. After all, it is called twist chasse. So, twist it. As you rock and replace, this foot is going to turn, to bend, put that foot across.
And in other words, you want to open the door with the leg you're standing on so the other leg can pass through.
After you do your rock, replace, you're going to cross down, close the shit out of that foot, and then step aside.
Okay. Bam, bam, bam.
Where is the step used? Partner! Close hip twist for the follower. She rocks, she replaces right here. Cross, close, side. Also for the leader, open hip twist, two man. Right here. Cross, close, side. And we can use it in side, by side, and 2, 3, 5, 5.